If you use TikTok and you've been scrolling lately, you have seen these videos pop up. They're going extremely viral and they are generating a lot of bread for the creators. And I'll show you exactly how you can create viral videos and make some online cash. Like this page has made around $20,000 from 3 videos, which is crazy by the way. So why are we still here? Let's go. So let me explain this niche. It is basically a top 5 list, like the ones you see on YouTube, top 5 something, but in boomer terms there is a twist. Usually it is top 5 and the niche is something funny and usually related to a trend, like top 5 reactions to the elections, where the reactions to the elections were a huge trend, and there are some other tricks in these videos that make you keep watching, which I'm gonna tell you in the final step of this video, because it's the thing that will make you have a higher RPM on the TikTok creativity program and obviously make you more money. So step number 1 is a research. Obviously in order to go viral, you need a viral video idea, and the best way to find a viral video idea is, like I've told you many times, copy what already works, but remodel it to make it different. That's what people were also doing with my videos, and they've built their own pages by remodeling my content. So the best way to do that is by searching on TikTok, see what goes viral, what topics are going viral with this niche, and recreate the same topic with a few different clips and rankings, and you're basically good to go with the idea. And the other thing you can do is search a top 10, top 5 list on YouTube, or go on Reddit on a specific topic, and in there search a specific viral topic, like the election reactions, so you can see more of them. And once you do that and you have a few video ideas, then go and create an outline. Like open the notes on your phone, for example, and then you write the title and you create an outline for your video. It will take you like a couple of minutes. Now that you have the outline ready, you just need to download the clips, which you can find on YouTube or Reddit, and there are websites that allow you to save videos from these websites. Now step number 2, the creation. Now you just create the video. Now you just take the clips, you put them to CapCut, and very important, do not add the clips in the correct order. Like first showcase the 5th, then the 3rd, then the 2nd, then the 4th, then the 1st, something like that. And then you add the text above the clip, which is the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and etc., without revealing what is what. And you also add auto captions. Customize them a bit, add a custom font, you know, all that jazz, which I always talk about, and you're pretty much good to go. The editing here is very simple, and within 15 minutes you can be done.
Did you ever get to meet Michael Jackson?
Nah, I didn't, man. I wish I did, though. You know, I was, what, fucking 10 when he died?
Damn, that would have been the time to meet him.
And step number 3, which is the most important, viral post-production, which are basically the hacks you can use to go viral. And one very important hack is using anticipation, which is, like I said, the random revealing of the ranking of the top 5 list. In case you skip that, it is very important to reveal them in a random order. This makes people watch longer, and if they watch longer, you get more views and you get more money. And another very important trick is making mistakes, or naming the clips with stupid titles, or adding some sus features in your video. And one more powerful thing that is similar to that is mentioning controversial stuff. Controversy and social media is the secret money formula. People who get hate are the people that usually make a ton of money. But I'm not talking about the serious kind of hate. I'm talking about telling something stupid and controversial, or making a video like on the top 5 worst Christian moments. People are gonna watch your video and comment on it a lot. And when all those people are commenting and talking in the comments, your video is playing in the background and you are making money. You just have to deal with hate. And that's pretty much it. I don't usually do this, but if you did get something out of this video, make sure to like it and subscribe. And make sure to check out this video next, because there is another niche which you might like even more than this one. See you over there.
Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.